more breaking news coming in. BBMP Contractors Association is now hit out at the BBMP by saying that several bills continue to remain pending despite multiple requests. The association has requested both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka to intervene and sort out this pressing issue at the earliest. So that's, of course, the demand that's been coming from BBMP Contractors Association as well over unpaid dues for completed works. Now, the payments have not been released for quite some time is what they're alleging, and they've sought the direct intervention on the part of the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, and also the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. Mr. D.K. Shivkumar also happens to be holding charge as the Minister in charge for the capital city of Bengaluru.
Basically, we are struggling the non-payment of since 24 months, and irregularities are in payments. They are treating us as slavers, and they are not treating us as contractors. We are invested money from borrowing loan from bank, borrowing from private agencies, and we are not paying. Repayment is very tough in this situation. We are all together. We are stopping all the works. I request on behalf of contractors, Mr. Siddaramaiah ji, CM of Karnataka, Mr. DCM, D.K. Shivkumar ji, please solve the problem.
Well, let me go across immediately to Neha for more on this. Neha, this is a very serious issue, is this not? Because the contractors have also said that they will not resume the work. In fact, they'll put all work to a halt on the 8th of July. So there's very limited time available now for the state government to intervene in this matter.
Well, Siddharth, that's absolutely right. There's just about 1 weekend now, left before the BBMP contractors here decide to completely bring the city to a grinding halt here. Remember, they've threatened to, in fact, stop all works cutting across various sectors in the city, whether this is to do with the road works or the stormwater drain works. Remember, of course, the monsoon also right around the corner. This isn't really going to be very, good right now for the people of the city. While we spoke with Mr. D.K. Shivkumar there yesterday, he says that no one can really hold the government to be at ransom. No one can threaten the government. But, of course, we'll really have to wait and see that if at all the government is able to manage to convince these contractors to take back their strike. Because at the end of the day, of course, when we are talking about infrastructure and development, unfortunate as we've already been seeing the manner in which Bengaluru has been lagging in that aspect. And now if the contractors decide to, stop all works here over unclear dues, it is something that's going to gravely impact development of the city.
Absolutely.
But more importantly also, so that one must remember that it was indeed the contractors, in fact, who played a key role here as far as, the previous government collapse also was concerned.
Absolutely.
We'll really have to wait and see how the government deals with this.
Yeah, let me go across to Deepak Bopanna as well. Deepak, this is a serious problem that awaits the people of Bengaluru. What's the response coming in from the state government to the demands that have been made by contractors now?
Well, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, of course, has said that he's going to look into these demands. The BBMP commissioner has said that the contractors cannot hold him for ransom. I spoke to the Contractors Association president, who's making it very clear that there are dues that are pending. They have taken loans from the banks. They're unable to repay them. Payments are coming in by the trickle. Multiple tables have been created by the BBMP commissioner, making it very difficult for them to actually get this payment released on time. And that's the reason they want to stage this protest. I was just speaking to the Karnataka in charge, Mr. Radha Mohan Das Agarwal, about a couple of minutes ago, and he says that the state government is indulging in rampant corruption at this point in time. The guarantee schemes of theirs and how they're trying to lure voters and buy them off is ensuring that there's no finance or there's no revenue left in the state government to really pay, and that's the reason the contractors are suffering. Is the charge that is being leveled now by the BJP. We'll really have to see, with all the negotiations that have really failed and talks that have failed with the contractors and the BBMP, from Monday when the works are halted. This includes, of course, desilting of drains. Now, especially during the monsoon, all of this becomes important. When all of this work is stalled, how it will affect the city is something that remains to be seen.
All right.